All right, Moises, so I'm going to go through this and show you what to do. You're going to need to go to classwork. And then there's 3 units in Edmentum that we've done. So if you scroll down, here we have Edmentum Unit 1. You're going to click on the slides. When you open the slides, it's going to tell you the work that you need to do for each of those sections. So when you're going through, you're scrolling, and you finally find a day where we have some work to do. So here's Monday. Mondays are when we have our synchronous learning meets, and those links are going to be on Google Classroom 5 minutes before they start. Right now, our meets are at 12 and 3 o'clock. So for example, this was Tuesday, April 21st. I tell you what you need to do and where it's located. So you would have needed to watch these videos, and here's the notes. And all of this is done in Google Classroom through your slides. Then you would need to go through and take the pre-test on expressions and equations. That's in Google or in Edmentum. And so you would just need to go through day by day and do what you're supposed to do for that day. Now, depending on that pre-test, if you got a 79 and below, you need to do these slides. If you got an 80% or higher, you need to do these slides. And then applying equations, if you, that same score from yesterday, it would, depending on what you got, you need to work in either Edmentum or you need to do it in Google Classroom. And so you just need to go through day by day doing the work that I needed from you. The biggest thing is, so there's the Unit 1 slides, here's the Unit 2 slides, here's the Unit 3 slides, again, going through, doing what I told you to. But this 4th quarter assignments link, this is very important. This link shows you all of the grades that are going to be in the grade books. This is your most important bit of information here. When you come to this slide, on this left side, it has all of the formative assessments for the 4th quarter. All of your formative assessments. So that pre-test in Unit 1, 2 quizzes for Unit 2, 2 quizzes for Unit 3. So all of this, except for that first thing, these are all in Google Classroom, and there are quizzes assigned in those different unit sections that I showed you in the classwork. All of your summative assessments are in Edmentum. All of your summative assessments are in Edmentum. So there's 2 mastery tests and the post-test in Edmentum. You have these little stars on the side that if you come down here, I'm going to average those 3 assessments in Unit 1. And that's going to be 1 grade for Unit 1. For Unit 2, again, there's 3 mastery tests that you need to take. All of Unit 1 and Unit 2 are just review of things I've already taught you. So if you just go straight to those mastery tests and take them, that's totally fine with me. But with this Unit 3, this is new, this is probability, you haven't learned this yet. So you really need to go through and do the lessons like I have on the slides so that you can understand it. If you have questions, you can leave Mr. Snook and I an email, or we have this thing called a parking lot. And this parking lot is a Google Doc where you can come on and if you have questions, you can look through the parking lot to see maybe somebody else has already asked that question and then Mr. Snook and I have already answered it. If you don't see your question on here, what you can do is you can add it at the bottom. Oops. You can add your question here at the bottom and then Mr. Snook and I can answer it here. Or like I said, you can also email us, whatever works best for you. This synchronous learning feed, this has our Monday lessons, like I told you we have on Google Meets. It has all the information. It might be helpful for you, might not. But yeah, it just has videos of what we work on and questions that people have been asking and the things that we talked about. So I hope this helps you, Moises. Again, the biggest thing that you need to be working on are those summative assessments in Edmentum. That's what's going to bring your grade up. If you have questions, email me, put it in the parking lot, and Mr. Snook and I will do whatever we can to help you. Have a good day and let us know if you need help.